Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Chemical Engineering Education. Today I'll simulate a centrifugal pump using DWSIM. Given the inlet condition and outlet pressure and pump efficiency, we'll observe the pump power requirement and outlet steam condition calculated by the simulator. Now here is the problem statement. The inlet steam conditions are flow rate, that is given 50 meter cube per hour, pressure 1.5 bar, temperature 25 degrees centigrade, and the fluid is water here. The required outlet pressure is 8 bar and the pump efficiency is 75%. Now here I'll start the DWSIM. Now this is the DWSIM window. Now here I'm just doing the steady state simulation in DWSIM. So for that, here I'm clicking create new. Now it will open the simulation configuration wizard. So now I'm clicking next. Now here I have to select compound, that is water. I'm clicking that, means I'm adding the water. So next, since here I'm taking fluid as a water, so I select the steam table property package. So here steam table property package I'm adding here and then clicking next. So now here the units are SI, so I'm taking that custom unit. I'm not doing any other things and clicking next. And here I don't have to do anything, then again click next and finished. Now from here the pressure changes. So from here I'm just taking that pump model and dragging and drop it here. Now I'm changing the icon, so here, so I'm changing the icon here. So color icon, this is the color icon. Okay, so this is the pump. Everything is given here, input, output, then energy requirement, steam, everything is connected. Now here, so in inlet I'm giving, means I am renaming as a inlet. Okay, then write inlet and then enter, and steam too I am renaming as a outlet. Okay, now this is energy, so I am not doing anything. Now here I am clicking the inlet. Now here I have to give the feed specification. So in our problem, the temperature is 25 degrees centigrade, flow rate I have to specify, and pressure I have to specify. So temperature is 25 degrees centigrade, pressure is 1.5 bar, and the flow rate is 50 meter cube. Now I think everything I have. So here we have to again mention 1.5 bar. Okay, that's it. And compound, that is amount is water. Okay, so everything is sorted out. Okay, so now you can see here that inlet pressure is 1.5 bar, temperature is 25 degrees centigrade, and volumetric flow rate is 50 meter cube per hour. Now going to that pump. So in that pump everything is connected. Now here pressure increase. So in our problem, pressure increase is 6.5 bar, because outlet pressure would be 8 bar, from 1.5 bar to 8 bar. So here I am mentioning that is pressure increase is 6.5 bar. Okay, so I think we don't need to do the calculation. So everything already done, means you can see the flow set was calculated successfully, and color changes. Okay, so it is in blue color, means everything is done, means I did the simulation. Now here if you see here, so energy steam, energy flow is energy is required 12.037. Now in outlet you can see in that outlet, so temperature is slightly increased, 25.064 degrees centigrade, pressure is 8 bar, and that volumetric flow rate is 49.9862, nearly 50 meter cube per hour. Now here you can see that pressure increase that head 6.5 bar, efficiency 75%, temperature difference 0.06, power required 12.037 again, and then available NPSH 15.014, outlet pressure 8 bar, head 66.453. all this information we have. Okay, in outlet also you can see temperature, pressure, that flow rate, everything is given. Okay, so I think we did that pump simulation and we did the setup. That's it. Thank you.